Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I'm located in Hartford, Connecticut. I do private tutoring, face-to-face private tutoring for SAT, GRE and GMAT, and in these clips I've been trying to promote my DVDs that I make for the math problems that appear in this book, the official SAT study guide. There are 8 exams in it. Each exam has 3 sections, and there are DVDs that I put together for each of the sections separately. For example, if you wish to purchase the DVDs which contains the solution to all the math problems in section number 2, that's what you will ask for. Right now I'm about to solve a problem that appears in exam number 4, section number 2, page 585, question number 16. Let's take a look at it, see what it says. You have to have the book in front of you, otherwise it will not work. You will not follow my work. It says in the rectangle PQRS, well, let's draw the PQRS. PQRS. We have 2 arcs, QT and RT. Let's draw the 2 arcs. Not a very nice picture, so ignore it. Just look at the book. And we are told that these are quarter circle with the center at P and S. Alright. So this is a part of a circle which is a quarter of a circle with the center here. This is part of the circle with the center here. In the rectangle PQRS, above the arcs are QT and RT are quarter circles with the center P and S respectively. If the radius of each circle is 1, there you go, now we're getting someplace. From here to here is 1, and from here to here is 1. S to T represents the radius of the circle whose quarter is this part right here, and the radius of the circle whose quarter is this part here, this arc here. The center is P. What is the question asking actually? What is the area of the shaded region? Well, let's draw the shaded region. This is what they're asking for. Well, it's quite straightforward. Just think about it. Since everything is symmetric, and this part represents the quarter of the circle, and this part represents the other quarter of the circle, which is essentially the same circle, because both of these circles have the radius of 1, which means this part and this part. Let's give them names so we can talk about them instead of going around saying this part and that part. I'm just going to call this part A and this part B, or better yet, let's call them L and R. This left hand part plus the right hand part, this quarter circle and the quarter circle, add up to be half a circle. So what we need to do is figure out the area of the whole thing, and from that subtract the area of half a circle with the radius 1. Very simple. The area of the whole rectangle is very simple. PQRS is simply, from here to here is 2, is a 2 by 1. From P to Q it must also be 1, because this we are told is the center of the circle. If this is the center of the circle and from here to here is 1, then from here to here it follows that from here to here must also be 1, because they are both what? Don't say radiuses, radii. Plural of radius is radii. Anyway, that was a bit of a digression. Let's continue then. Area of a circle is pi r squared. R in this case is 1, so it's just a pi. Area of the circle. Therefore, area of half the circle would be very simple. Area of half the circle would simply be this. So if you want the shaded region, it's simply area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle minus this guy right here, rectangle, minus half a circle with the radius 1. So that's it, we are done. It is 2 times 1, which is 2, minus this guy right here, pi over 2. If there is something that agrees with this, something that looks like this, we are done. Oh, what do you know? Lucky you. Your answer choice is B. I said it like that, lucky you, because they could have messed with it. They could have given you a common denominator, but they didn't. They just left it like that. They could have given you an answer something like this, 4 minus pi over 2, which is not a big deal. It's the same thing as that, just with the common denominator of 2. But anyway, this is the answer, and you're done. I hope you found it helpful. And as I said before, send me an email. Post comment on the YouTube if you wish, and if you like to get these videos as soon as they upload it, as soon as I put them on the YouTube, subscribe to the channel. That way you will know as soon as I upload a video that is there. And send me an email if you wish to purchase the DVD to the solution to math problems in section number 2 of exam number 4, or get hold of me if you wish to hire me in person. Thank you.